Hello friends, today we're going to practice a classic hairstyle. We divide the hair into two sections from the temples. Using the number 0 clipper guard, we remove a significant amount of hair with the help of the comb. Continue this process on the other side of the head as well. Because the hair is thick and voluminous, we should use a coarse comb to avoid the comb getting stuck in the hair. Now we use a 1.5 guard to trim the excess hair around the ears, making sure not to lift too much towards the top. We should avoid getting the clippers too close to the scalp to prevent removing too much hair volume. It's best to work with the tip of the clippers. Friends, please support me by subscribing so I can stay motivated to create more clips for you. You should use thinning scissors in this part because we're not aiming to cut the hair too short. We want to trim it slightly and reduce the hair volume because the customer has a slender head shape and we don't want to cut too much, which would disrupt the overall hairstyle. Thinning scissors will help us achieve a good shape and texture. In this step, we start from the center of the head, taking section of hair with our fingers to desired lengths and cutting them using the scissors. We repeat this process moving upwards until we reach the back of the head. Then, We continue cutting the hair on the sides using the same pattern we created to ensure uniformity. With this technique, we blend the hair on the top of the head with the sides to achieve a uniform look, ensuring it looks neat, flawless, and without any visible issues. With this motion, we focus on precision in trimming the top section. If there are any stray longer hairs, we carefully cut them to achieve a uniform look. And again, in this state, we check the hair to ensure there are no issues and that it takes on a good style. With thinning scissors, we aim to blend the hair on the top and sides together, reducing any excess volume. After shampooing, we start blow drying the hair first. We partially dry the hair, then we use a brush to style it. Just remember that blow drying is crucial as it enhances the beauty of your work and showcases your skill more effectively. We use a styling palette to give the hair some texture and hold. Just be very careful in this step to create the desired hairstyle accurately.